Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial series on WooCommerce discounts. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a customer specific discount. Alright, let's go. Well, we're going to use the popular WooCommerce discount plugin called Discount Rules Pro for WooCommerce to create such discounts. Before we get into the video, please make sure you have downloaded, installed and activated the Discount Rules Pro plugin on your site. If you haven't done this yet, then please do not worry because we have a video that can help you to install the Discount Rules plugin, which we have posted already. You can find the link to download the plugin as well as the tutorial video in the description below. Feel free to check the description below for further details. With that being said, let's get started. To create customer specific discount, we'll have to go to the WordPress dashboard. Under WooCommerce, you'll find Woo Discount Rules. If you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. Now to create the rule, you'll have to click on Add New Rule button, which will take us to the rule configuration. Here we go. Now let's enter a suitable title. In this video, we're going to offer 40% off to a specific user named Benita. Alright. After we enter a suitable title, let's select the discount type from the drop down. I'm selecting product adjustment. Now we get to decide the products that are eligible for the 40% off. I'm going to leave it to all products because I want this specific customer named Benita to select any product across my store and get 40% off. After doing that, we're selecting the discount type and the value. I'm going to leave the discount type to percentage discount itself and set the value to 40. One important step for this discount to apply to this particular user, we will have to go further down to the conditions section and add condition. Click on this drop down to find the user condition and then list the specific user that you want this discount to be applied to. As said, it's going to be for the user named Benita. Now while searching for the user here in the user box, you can use either the email address or the username of the particular user. I'm going to use the name and yes, here we go. You can also enlist multiple users here so that this particular discount will apply to all of those users that you mentioned here. I'm going to go with just one user today for a better understanding. Now let me save and close this particular rule and go further to test it. To test this rule, I'm going to open the storefront. Okay. You may see that I'm not qualified for the discount because I have logged in as an admin and I'm not the specific user. Okay. To test this discount, I'm going to open the URL in an incognito window. Why do we go for an incognito window? Is because we need to simulate a new login. Why? To log in as that specific username Benita. Alright, now I'm going to go to the My Accounts page, log in using the email address and password of that particular user named Benita. So here we go. Okay, and then here I'm going to enter the password of the user, login, and go to the shop page. Now you will be able to see that I'm qualified for the 40% off. Okay. Now all that we have to do is add some products to the cart and see if we qualify for the 40% off. I'm going to add this beanie with logo and then belt and then this beanie cap to the cart. Now I will take you to the cart page and show you that each of the product that I've added to the cart has received 40% off, isn't it? This is how we create customer specific discounts. Thank you so much for watching.